If you can actually get this leaf wherever you are, then you are very lucky. This leaf is called the leaf of Christmas melon plant. The Christmas melon, if you don't know what it is, I'm going to be putting the picture up there so that you can see how it looks like. The melon itself is called Tagiri in our local language, the Yoruba language. We call it Tagiri. I don't know how you call it in your different dialect, but here in Nigeria, as a Yoruba, we call it Tagiri. But this video is not about the Christmas melon, the Tagiri. Is about the leaves. So you're welcome back. In case you are just joining us, please consider subscribing. Just to subscribe does not take anything from you. You see the red button, subscribe. It is written boldly in red. Just click on it. You don't pay, it is free. Then after subscribing, a bell will come out. Click on the bell and you see all. Just click on the all. That means whenever I release good videos, you will be the first to be notified. So let's get into it. Today, I'm going to be discussing a very important ritual. A very important ritual for every business person. If you have businesses, you have a shop, you have an office, you run an office, you have a store, and things are not moving the way they should, or you feel there has been some forces, some negative energy or some dark forces that is hindering your business, or that is not is not allowing you to make sales. Well, there are actually some shops, you see them, they open for business and in a matter of months they close the shop. There are some forces that are blocking, that are affecting that business. And maybe you have been, initially when you started, things were doing very good. All of a sudden everything just turned the other side and business is not coming. To do that, to clear that, this video is for you. There is a ritual that you can do that is not going to cost you anything other than getting the important leaf I told you about in the intro of this video. Once you get that leaf, then every other thing you can get easily. Okay, what are the ingredients you are going to be needing for this ritual? Number one, we are going to be needing the leaf of Christmas melon or the leaves of Tagiri. It's not the Tagiri that matters, it's the leaves. Just get a bunch, a whole lot. You want so many. And these are plants that they grow everywhere. You can always get it anywhere. It's common everywhere in the bushes. And they just grow. So if you cannot get it, if you go to herbal stores, then you can get them. All you need to do is just pay some money and they will get it for you. But if you can locate it in your area and get it, like in my area, I have so many of it. Even in my compound, I have it grown. So I just get it. Once you get that, the second ingredient you'll be needing is salt. Salt, the local salt, not any other salt, just the local salt, your normal local salt, the table salt we use in cooking. And the third thing is broom. Hope you understand what broom, you know what broom is, that we use to sweep. Once you have those three things, then of course you need water. So if you have this, then this ritual is done. You can do it, and within 5-10 minutes the preparation can be done. So let me take it out to do it. Like I told you, the essence of this ritual is for breakthrough. And it is for cleansing. You cleanse whatever negative forces or negative energy that is affecting your business, that is affecting you not to make sales. If you are a businessman and you have a store, or you have a shop, or you have an office where you run your business and things are not moving the way they should, because I have a lot of questions, a lot of messages telling me how do they cleanse their business. Some of them, so many people complain their business are not moving the way it should, but this is not should not give you a stress, and that is why you need to watch this video. Don't skip anything, make sure you watch till the end. So all you need to do is the first ingredient, which is the leaf, the leaf of the Christmas melon. The leaf, you can see the leaf. This is the way it is. This is the way it is, very broad like this. Just get so many, just get a bunch, so many. You can get just so many, depends on where, because you'll be using it to cleanse. You'll be using it, is a ritual, you'll be using it to cleanse, so, or to wash, because you need to wash your places of business. So you can get the desired quantity, just get enough. What I do is I get enough. So once you get enough, then get a bowl, a very big bowl, then put all the leaves in the bowl, then add the second ingredient, which is the salt, the local salt, enough of salt. Just put, I can't say a particular quantity, depends on the quantity of the leaves you have, that will determine the quantity of the salt, but you must have enough salt, because like salt itself is for cleansing. I've done a lot of videos, so you check the description on how to use salt for cleansing. So you add the salt. Once you add the salt, then you get water, a large quantity of water. Then you just add it. Don't add all the water at the same time, just add it gradually. Then it's like as if you squeeze the leaf, as if you are washing it. I don't know how to describe it. You wash it, you wash the salt, and like you are washing the salt and the leaves together, and the liquid of the leaves will be coming out, mixing with the salt and the water. So gradually you add water, so you do it very well. You let all the chlorophyll of the all the greenish or the chlorophyll of the leaf to come out, to add into the water. Even if you don't add water, the salt itself mixed with the leaf, when you now wash it together, it will bring water, but the water will not be enough, because we want to use this water to clean our offices or our shops. So you add water as required, just add a lot of water as required. Then just get the leaves, pack the leaves from the water, and just go and throw them away. Then what are you going to be doing with the water? What you are going to be doing with the water is very simple. You are going to be using it to wash, because it's a spiritual cleansing ritual. You just take your broom. You must have your broom. So just put the water, get something to be taking the water, to be scooping the water. Then you pour it in your shops. Then you use the broom to sweep everything. You use it to sweep everything. Make sure it touches every part of the shop, and even the outside, if possible. If you have a veranda, or you have a space outside, make sure every part of that shop and the space, including part of the wall, make sure you wash everything. Use it to wash. You wash it outside, wash it outside, wash it outside. Once you do that, I bet you just leave it. Once you let it dry, once the things dry, you see a lot of improvement in your sales, in your business, in your office. Things will change for the better. This one is not as if whether either it will work or not. I'm waiting for a testimony. This one will work, whatever, either you like it or not, because anything that is disturbing, any forces or any negative energy vibes that is disturbing you from seeing the businesses or from selling, all those forces will be cleansed away. Just do this. This is a very straightforward. I don't need to stress so much on it. It's a very straightforward. It's a ritual. So what you need to do is get this quantity, get the leaves of Christmas melon, get local salt, normal cooking salt, then get water, the broom, and just make sure you pour this in a big bowl, and the salt, and then pour it together with water, wash it out, then use the water to clean your business place. Is that your shop, your offices? just, or even if you use your house as your business, for your business, then you need to wash. Even if you are not a business person, even if you are not a business person, and you feel there are some negativity in your house or in your home or in your environment, you can use this to cleanse it. One, the leaves itself is very powerful. If you know the work of Tagiri, the Christmas melon, you understand that the leaf is very powerful. It has a lot of spiritual benefit. Then salt itself is a cleanser. Salt is very powerful, and coupled with water, you are doing water, you are adding water, and at the same time, broom also has a significant spiritual significance in our lives. I've done so many videos talking about the spiritual significance of cleansing and salt bath. You can check that, or I'll link it in the description. I can check that out. Just do this and give me your feedback. Let me see in the comment and let me, and if you have any questions, you can just ask in the comment, and I won't hesitate to answer you until I come your way again. If you have not subscribed, once again, consider subscribing. Just hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that when next I release videos, you'll be the first to be notified.